Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy, welcome. Well, I just want to say sorry for this hot mess over here, but we're gonna talk skincare today. I'm gonna show you my trick to stay young forever. Well, maybe not forever, but look at me, I don't look a day over 60. Today I want to show you a little device that I was using few years ago to keep my face firm and young looking. I'm gonna show you how to use it, explain how it works, and show you some tricks with it. I was so happy with the results, but now after a few years I think I need to go back to using this, and I thought, why not making a video out of it? So here we are. Now you probably wonder, what is it? Is it expensive, or you can use it at home, or it's like a spa thing? Well, without any further ado, I'm gonna show you. It's a dermaroller. I know it doesn't look like anything special, but hear me out, this little device will save your life. Well, not literally, but you know what I mean. And before we start, I'm gonna explain you how it works. It works on a few different levels. The first one is when you massage your face with it, it stimulates the blood flow in your skin, and what it does, it nurtures your skin. You get the good ingredients that blood carries around your whole body, and at the same time it detoxifies. The second layer is it makes microscopical holes in your skin. I know it sounds horrifying, but through those tiny holes all good ingredients from your moisturized cream, serum, mask, whatever you wanna use after it, will penetrate your skin deeper and simply gonna work better. The third layer is your skin is gonna feel stimulated to heal those microscopic holes in your face. So it would boost the production of collagen, your skin will get firmer and tighter. Before we start, I just want to warn you that in this treatment the hygiene is super important, because you know, you're making the holes in your face, so you don't want any germs or bacteria getting inside and then getting breakouts after the treatment. I keep my device all the time in the box because obviously you don't want to get it dirty, dusty or anything. So I'm just gonna take this out, and with the sanitizing spray I'm just gonna give it a fair amount of spritz on it, and I'm gonna put it back and give it a moment to dry. And in the meantime, I'm gonna wash my hand and my face with antibacterial soap. I'm gonna use the device with 1mm needles because I feel like for my kind of skin it works best, but if you're a beginner or if you have sensitive skin, I would recommend to get 0.5 or 0.7mm for starters. And the big question is it painful? Well, you will see. Oh my god, the pain is killing me! No, I'm just joking. Obviously it's not as pleasant as a face massage, because at the end of the day you are putting needles in your face. I wouldn't say it's super painful. As you can see, I'm rolling my face with it and I'm talking to you without crying. So when I roll my face, I go by area, so my cheeks, my forehead, chin, then I go a little bit under my eyes. And on each area we want to go in 3 directions: vertical, horizontal, and then diagonal, just to give it a fair amount of treatment. And as you can see, my cheek is getting red. That's how you know the blood flow is stimulated, but as you can see, I'm not bleeding. And now I'm gonna go to the second cheek. Okay, so while I'm rolling, let's talk more about the device. I got mine on internet. I think I paid something around £5 or £6, and I have this one that I'm using right now on my face, and I got the bigger one with 1.5mm, because you can use this on every body part that you need to boost elasticity, but obviously you're gonna use different needles on the face and on the body because you have different type of skin there. And I know there's like a new microneedling device that has also LED light, so you getting like 2 type of treatments at the same time. But the basic idea behind this is the same. You are putting titanium needles inside your skin. So I would recommend to start with a simple cheap one, because obviously it's not gonna be for everyone. You know, just buy the cheap one, try it, go very gently at the beginning, don't press it too hard. And the super important rule is always go in the direction that the roller wanna take you, because if you wanna go across or something like that, you're just gonna scratch your skin and you don't wanna do it. And I like to focus more on the areas that I already have some fine lines, so I put a little bit more pressure in those areas, and I'm making sure I am giving the fair amount of roll. Oh, I hate those lines over here, so I'm just rolling them away. And don't forget about your chin, especially if you lose weight and you have some saggy skin over here. It will help you make it tighter again. You can use this device on the delicate skin under eyes and on the lips, but if you are beginning, I wouldn't recommend this. I'm gonna do it because, as I said, I was using this for a long time back in the day. I'm going super gently and carefully over here, and not only because the skin here is so much thinner, but you know, you don't wanna sneeze and put all those needles in your eye. Okay, we're done with the needling. Now you can go with your favorite serum, cream, face mask, whatever you're using. I usually go for a sheet mask, but I'm not prepared. I thought I have some left at home, but it turns out I used them all. But I said you can use whatever. You can use the mask that comes with the Foreo device or any serum. But today, because I want to boost hydration and brightness, I'm gonna use tart maracuja oil. I have the mini travel set. And for the eyes, I'm gonna go again with the Tarte. This is Maracuja Sea Brightener Eye Treatment. Because as you can see, I have those crazy dark circles and I wanna get rid of those. And I'm just gonna gently massage my under eye area. Oh. I feel that the oil already is absorbed, so I'm gonna go with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream on top of it. And I'm gonna go with like a quite fair amount of it. Because you know, if you're gonna do a treatment, make a treatment. And now I'm gonna let my skin absorb all the good ingredients for the products that we used. And my final tip is, because you still have holes in your face, like don't go to the gym, don't go swimming or any place that is dirty and you can be exposed to a lot of germs. So I would recommend to do it on Sunday morning so you can relax and give skin time to heal. You can do it as a night treatment, but as I said, you have open holes. I would recommend to put some fresh pillowcases because there are a lot of germs on pillowcases. Oh, and I forgot to mention how often you're supposed to do this treatment. Well, honestly, it depends on your skin condition and your needs. I usually do this treatment once a month, but you can do it every other month or twice a month, but I wouldn't recommend to do it more often than once a week because, you know, at the end of the day, it's quite invasive treatment. And I think that's it, guys. If you're gonna use this treatment or if you had used microneedling before, please share your experience with me in the comments down below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button, gives me a thumbs up. It would mean a world to me. And thank you for being here with me and see you in the next one. Bye!